Alright guys, we're here getting ready for the race here at Darlington 2005, and this should be a fun race, so we're gonna get you to the green flag. Let's go. Here we go, we are about to be going green flag racing here from Darlington, under the lights. Starting up on the John Deere Chevrolet, take a lead already. You see some of the guys, they are splitting up in the back of the pack there. But here comes the two to the inside, 3 wide. It is not what you want to do. And you might get up into the wall here, but hopefully not. As they take lap 2 there, here comes the 6 on the inside. Oh, and there goes the 4. Jack Rogers gonna be pushing them right behind them. And down the back straightaway they go, as you can see right there. Oh, and there is some contact. Here comes Jack Rogers going to the inside. Ooh, Daniel. Oh, there's some contact into the wall. Oh, they're gonna try to go through wide. That's not good. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Settle it out, settle it out. Oh crap. Somebody's on the apron, Dylan Young. Going for the lead. And there's somebody hitting the wall back in the back right here. That is Henry Sanford and Dylan Young in the lead right now. But here comes behind him Bob Jones pushing him. Oh, and there's some contact and the caution's out. Oh, we have a huge wreck back there. Oh, and here comes the leaders coming off that corner. Oh, and somebody's bouncing off the wall. And they're gonna come up to the traffic. Oh, who's Trent Dunn still sitting there? Oh, what the hell? Wow. Are you kidding me? I don't know what was really going on over here. We seen these guys on the apron, like I was talking about, and it looks like right there, well, somebody got up in the Dylan Poche, and then somebody got up in the 6 truck. And there's Seth. Seth has no hood, but he's still going. Well, actually, no, he's not. Anyway, it looks like I seen when somebody got on the apron here, it was gonna be behind this. I don't know what he was doing there. Yeah, he took a big hit right there, and then there's guys piling up because they can't get by this. So yeah, and then the O2 came in there. I think of and there's somebody else smoking. That is Henry Sanford. And then you're gonna see the O2 right here. There he is. And you see him coming through here right now. And it's a very bad deal because right there, he hit Trent Dunham right when Trent was teleporting. Wow. We got a lot of these guys on pit road right now trying to fix up their damage. You got Danny Wells on pit road. You got the two coming off the pit road. Actually, no, he's not. Pistol right there, the 21 on pit road. There's Dylan Young. And like I said, a few of these guys, I don't know how many of them are going to be out after this. Probably a couple. And there's Sean Harple. And we'll be taking you back green flag racing with Dylan Young as the leader. Dylan Young is unfortunately some lap traffic. There's 36 trucks left after that wreck early in the race. And Kyle Thomas should have did a better job of getting out of the groove and not cause that last wreck, but he did a dipshit move right there. But they're hopefully gonna get by those guys, and let's hope these guys can keep it clean. But we'll never know. They're not side by side like they were earlier. But we'll see what's gonna happen as Dylan Young's trying to hold off Levi Stones right here, and Levi's gonna and there's some contact in the back right there with those slow cars. As you can see, Levi Stones all over the back of Dylan Young. They're single file right now. Michael Norman, and right there, Dylan Young is gonna get up into the wall. Oh boy, and you can see right there the 77, Sean Harper gonna dip to the low side. Oh, come on. Don't do that shit. Don't do that. Oh. Don't get on the apron, do stupid stuff. Oh, somebody's oh boy. Oh, Dylan Young is on the apron. Is he pitting? Yes, he is pitting. Dylan Young. Oh, he's pitting, and these guys are bouncing off the wall. But they're giving room, though. Oh, the 3 was all over the back of Preston Floyd. Right down the back straightaway again. Levi Stones, but Dylan Thoreau is in the lead now for RCR with his teammate right behind him. Oh, and off the corner again. Oh, boy. Here comes Levi Stones making contact with his teammate. And caution's out. Oh, we got a wreck in the third corner. These guys gotta watch it. And they're still wrecking. Oh. Leda Walker with a lot of damage. A second caution is out. Slow down. Okay, let's see what happens. Things got really piled up over here, and yeah, you can see the results. Cody got turned up into the wall, and looks like up here it didn't get any better. Oh, and right there, the one clipped the back of the Ford truck, and then right there, he hit by the 82. Oh well, that's what happened there. And then there was more action in the back, but y'all know the deal. And 30 got turned to 12. The 1 and 82 got involved in this incident. And the 38 and the 4 got involved in this incident with the 63. And the 1 and the 4 couldn't get off each other, so there you go. And then the 82 bounces up in there. Looks like we're gonna have some pit stops here. 2 is the leader. And the 35 just passed him coming up. If his pit stop is past the line, it looks like he's gonna get the benefit of the doubt here and have to lead. And you see the 82, the 1's probably gonna be out as well. I don't know about the 63. Andreas on. Oh, somebody else is smoking. Who the hell is that? Oh, that's the 1 truck. Oh. God, almost made contact coming out. As you can see, we had 2 cautions, so we got some of these guys locked down, staying out. Let's take you back, green. Oh, we got live traffic again, so you know something's bound to happen once again when we go green. And the leader is the 35, and he's stuck behind all this live traffic. But he's actually not going to have to deal with too much of it because most of these guys are pretty slow with the damage on their trucks. And go side by side again into the corner. Dylan Young's going to try to get his lap back. He is the fastest right now, the way it's looking. But some of those guys are backed up in the back. Right there is Levi Stones. James Carl's in the lead right now. trying to hunt down and pass the fastest truck out front right now. We'll to the back of the pack here. See if these guys make it through alright. Looking good right now. As the two got around James Qualls. I think he pitted. Yes, he did. On caution that again. Oh, we got Jessica Shelton in the wall. And caution has come out again. And the leader is the 2 of Levi Stones. So yeah. See what happens. Now this right here is not as bad as I thought it would be. The 37 got clipped up into the wall by the 62, the 94. Jessica Shelton is kind of like a chain reaction behind him. But nobody really got too much damage that they didn't already have. Oh, the 00 got clipped right there. 60, Ron Acosta is also involved. See right there, those guys just hooked up with each other. It looks like some of them were pitting maybe. And that's probably the deal that happened there. Also, Chris Darlington. 00 to 20. There you go. There you go. We got these guys pitting right now, so yeah. So that's going on right now. James Qualls on pit road again. And he actually pitted before all these guys. I thought he should be on a better strategy, but strategy did not play out the way he wanted to. He's back on pit road again. Here's Depot in the 30th position. Coming out of pit road right here, and 2 is gonna have the lead right now. Five truck madness is over. You are terribly mistaken. There we go, green flag is out once again. It's looking like hopefully these guys will get some room with that 6 truck. He's not going to give any room right now. Like I said, if you get damage on these cars, that might help trucks, it might help him out. James Qualls is looking really fast as well. He's going to take that outside route. And there's the 2. And there's contact. Some of these guys pitting. A couple of them at the front pitting again. The 2 is pitting. And the leader is now the 32. Eric Burton slots into the 2nd position. The 93 of Preston Plord in the 3rd spot, followed by Michael Norman. And the 29 of Ian Dutta. There's in contact with the 35 up into the wall. Oh yeah. And some of these guys are pitting again, I believe. And up near the front, Eric Burton doing everything he can right now to hound down that 32 just until after front. Turning motorsports, he is all over the bucket. Eric Burton gonna put the chrome on. Here he comes, driving to the inside. Here he comes side by side. Eric Burton trying to lead his first lap of the season. He brushes him up the racetrack right now. It is intensity at its finest. Here comes the 93 gonna try to say something about it. There we go, the back straightaway. Here comes the Taz Chevrolet. Through the corner. Here. Oh my goodness. The Taz Chevrolet of Michael Norman. They're hitting the wall right there. You can see some contact. Oh, and there's Preston Plord gonna move Eric Burton up the racetrack. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, there you can see the contact like I was saying. And all this side by side. In the corner here, off the corner. James Claw trying to get his line back. Oh, and Eric Burton and Austin Talley up here again. He's up in the top 5. And his teammate is leading it right now as there's the Skull Bandit Chevrolet coming into play right now. There he goes. Anyway, up front, they're about to catch some lap traffic and somebody is sitting. And that is Preston. And they're side by side for the lead. Oh, and you just seen Jessica Shelton. She got her way back up into the top 10. And as we go down the back straightaway again here. Oh, and these guys are pitting. Here they go. Michael Norman is not though. He's going to take the lead. Dylan Young's creeping the wall behind him. Oh, and now he is coming down as well. And all these guys are on pit road as we're looking at it. And they're coming off now. They had the 3 Michael in the lead. There's the 83 coming off now. Beat the 32 off of pit road. There's the guys he got to beat out, and he's gonna beat them out. Oh, the what? The 32 just got wrecked by the 2. And coming to the line, it is Eric Burton. And the 3 is out of gas or something. The 32 just got turned dead up in the wall, and I think his teammate wrecked into him. The 31 as well is involved. Wow. That is something right there. Let's check out what just perspired right here. Looks like the 32 is trying to merge on the off of pit road. And the 2 is there, and the 2 had no choice but to turn him into the wall. And then he just comes down, and his teammate, I can't miss him, and Dylan's gonna slam the wall. Oh man, this has been a bad season for Dylan. And he's gonna come down the track and not get hit. But anyway, see it again. The 2 and the 32 made contact, and the 2 was trying to cycle back. Ahead, Danny Wells was leading the race at that point, and then there you go right there. The 31 hits him, and there you go. I think the 2, like I said, these 2 guys, Michael Norman and Danny Wells, they're on a different pit strategy, and they have like most of the guys on tail in the lead lap and a lap down. So like I said, it's going to be interesting. Oh crap, this Archer race is crazy right now. But anyway, Michael Norman is the leader, barely over Danny right now. Danny's gonna be right behind him, man. The 33 Austin Talley is on the first truck on the tail end of the lead lap. You guys are about to be going crazy for a spot. You see Danny right there behind him. Oh, and there's contact up in the wall. Danny Wells prowling on Michael Norman. Michael Norman's having contact, Danny's gonna have to find someone around him. I don't know if Danny can right now. They're both stuck on the outside now. And Danny was the leader when they took that caution flag. Oh, and there's contact right there. They're running in the hornet's nest, a lot of traffic right now. Danny's gonna have to find anything he can to get to the bottom. And he might be able to. Here he comes. Here comes Danny Wells. Danny Wells gonna take the lead away from Michael Norman. And Michael's gonna slide in behind him. Now Danny's got the lead. Danny was hoping for that to happen. And that's exactly what did happen. Danny Wells, after 2 weeks of frustration, he is coming here to try to win. But he got live traffic up in front of him. He's gonna have to deal with it. But I think if he could just keep it where he's at. Oh, Jessica Shelton got turned. Coming to pit road. And Michael and Danny made it to pit road. But we just had a wreck. And I don't know who's gonna be the leader now with those guys staying out. Jessica Shelton, Dylan Thoreau involved. There's Jessica right there. She's in the 17th spot. She's gonna keep it going. It was a wreck with Jessica Shelton, and this second wreck she's been involved in the same spot. Looks like she just came up on the 37 there. And then 18 and the 93 are going to do the same thing. And, oh my God, Dylan Thoreau. He took a hit up into that wall. Back that up again. Take a look at it. As you see right there, Jessica was moving up. And she just moved right up into the 37. But luckily enough, the leaders missed it, and then Jake Rogers and Dylan Thoreau, man, he took a hit right there. Back it up and take a look at his hit. There you see the 29 was also involved. Like, oh my God, man, he took a hit right there, head on into the wall. Hopefully he is alright after that, but man, Danny leader right now. You just seen him come off the road. I don't know if the 99 is going to be the leader or what. It is going to be the 99. Benjamin Miles. With those guys pitting, Benjamin Miles coming out of nowhere. He's going to be the leader right now in front of Austin the Plant, who is right there. Can he hold on to it and not have to pit? You're going to have to see Benjamin Miles pitting. It's going to look who's going to come off pit road first. Zachary Fitzwater. Dylan Thoreau, I think, is out of the race. Everybody else is still in the race. Dylan Thoreau might be still in here. Not really sure. no, Dylan Thoreau is out. He took a hard hit in that wall. Yeah, Dylan Thoreau is out. But the leader might be Danny Wells at this point. Oh, no. It's actually Austin LaPlante. But it might cycle around to be Danny Wells. This is where it comes down to right now. Most of you guys are gonna have to get up on the pedal right now. Pedal to the metal. This is what it comes down to right here. Maybe you guys know that I'm gonna get up here and try to win this race. And especially many of you guys have been in the top 10. And the green flag is out. And he's gonna drop it down to the bottom. Michael Norman's gonna try to get a run here. The 30 of Cody Arnold ain't really gonna try to get in his way, but Danny Wells, will he hold on? He's got 2 laps to go this time by. Didn't even talk about Danny too much here. Benjamin Miles is trying to get up here. He's having his best run of his rookie season right now. But anyway, Danny Wells is gonna try to take the white flag. Here he comes. Danny, but he's getting in lap traffic. Oh, but I don't think it'd be a problem for him. He moves up though. Oh, the 39 holds him up a little bit. If he does not have to pit, it's all Danny Wells. There's Michael Norman. But Michael's not going to have enough. Danny Wells is going to win here at Darlington. How about Benjamin Miles up here again? Finishing races is what he wanted to do, and that is exactly what he is doing. And the caution just came out. At the end of the race, we had a huge wreck at the end. We'll check that out. But Danny Wells is your winner of this race. And Jessica Shelton somehow got back in the top 10 again after wrecking twice. But anyway, that is your finishing results. Let's take you to what happened at the end of the race. After the race, Ian Dutta and Joshua Romero. Joshua Romero was running in the 7th spot, but he came across, and Ian Dutta must have got mad at him about something and wrecked him out right there. Took the 94 with him. The 18 got involved as well, and there's the 9 gonna come and hit the 00. And then I believe that was it. It's Dylan Young against the wall, and yep, that was it. But I don't think Joshua Romero is going to be too happy about getting wrecked at the end of the race, but I don't think he's really going to care. He finished in the top 10 still with a beat up truck, same with Ian Dutta. Ian Dutta just went down there and wrecked him. Like, I don't get that either, but you know, okay. Kyle Thomas got involved in LJ Miller, so yeah. If Danny Wells will win this race here today, beat the charging Benjamin Miles and Michael Norman, so yeah. Steph Cole got taken out. Here we go, big one at the end. They're not done. Danny Wells is in it. This is gonna end the race. Sean Henley trying to hold on. Cole Dowley to the inside. It's not gonna be enough. Sean Henley's gonna do it. Sean coming off the corner. He's gonna win the Sprint Unlimited, and he's gonna win the Daytona 500. Here's the Rock Speedway race, and he's gonna do it.